Now in this video, let's clean up our radio buttons. We implemented radio buttons in a prior video, actually in Module 1, and we set that up within our settings panel. In this case, we'll be doing the same thing, but we'll be implementing it within a form. Let's take another look at the radio button Angular material component. And on the left, I have the radio button component selected, and then under the Overview tab, we'll implement this basic example here. We'll use the MatRadio group, and then inside that we'll have a few MatRadio buttons. And we'll be applying this within a reactive Angular material form. We already brought in this module within our dashboard component, but now we need to bring it in within our contact us component. Let's apply this module within our component. Up here at the top, I'll add in the import, and then I'll also add in the MatRadioModule within the imports array towards the end here. And that's all we need to do within our TypeScript file, moving on to the HTML. And then inside of our current radio buttons, inside this div container, I'll comment this out for now. We'll remove this shortly, and then reuse this div. First, I'll apply a class to this for some styling, and we want to use up half of the width of the container. I'll apply this half width class. And then next we'll set up our label. I'll add that here. And this label is going to be called priority, and I'm using the native label element. And now we're ready to add in our MatRadio group. As in the documentation, we're using the MatRadio group, and inside of that we have the MatRadio button. And the three radio buttons are going to be low, medium, and high for our priority. Since this is a reactive form, we want to apply our form control name as we're doing here. And we want to apply that to the group. So I'll add that here. And that completes the changes to our template. I will remove this. We don't need that anymore. And we're ready to test it in the browser. In the browser, I already filled out the required fields to save some time. And then the priority looks really good. We'll change this, make sure that our reactive form is working correctly. I'll submit the form, and I have low selected. And as we can see here, we are adding that within our object. Next, we'll move on to the checkbox, and we'll implement this using Angular material.